In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now you need to hold it and click on this icon on the right, the one between two rectangles and a gear. After a few seconds, you will be able to use your app in this little window. Now, to move your window around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To use it in full screen view, you can either click on those three dots at the top and click on this button on the left, or you can hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. By tapping on the same three dots, you can also switch from pop-up to split screen, like that. Then go back to the pop-up, and also close your window fully by clicking on this X. Last but not least, to minimize your window, you need to tap on Home button, swipe tiny one to the side, and this way turn it into a bubble. Then to go back to your window, tap on the bubble, and then tiny window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!